In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a custom theme in PowerPoint. We all know that sometimes the themes we've created don't quite turn out as expected, or maybe you've just accumulated too many and want to clean things up. Whatever the reason, I'll guide you step by step through this simple process. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. Once it's opened, navigate to the presentation where you want to manage your themes. Next, go to the Design tab at the top of the PowerPoint window. This is where you can control everything related to the look and layout of your slides. Here, you'll see a collection of available themes, including any custom themes you've saved. Now, click on the Theme drop-down menu. From here, choose Save Current Theme. Don't worry, we're not saving anything new. This step simply opens a dialog box where you can find the file path to your saved themes. Copy the directory path displayed at the top of that dialog box, then click Cancel to close it. Next, go back to the Theme drop-down menu once again, and this time click on Browse for Themes. In the new window that opens, paste the directory path you copied earlier into the address bar and hit Enter. You'll now be inside the folder where all your custom PowerPoint themes are stored. Locate the specific theme you want to delete, right-click on it and select Delete. Confirm the deletion if prompted. And that's it. You've successfully removed the only unwanted custom theme from PowerPoint. Repeat these steps for any additional themes you want to clean up. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to declutter your PowerPoint and keep your theme library organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful PowerPoint tutorials.